CNC computer numerical control. Why are machining centers so popular in the manufacturing industry? Firstly, CNC machining centers have high accuracy and stability. This is crucial for the manufacturing industry. A high-precision CNC machining center can significantly improving product quality and appearance, make manufacturing more competitive in the market. Secondly, CNC machining centers can achieve various machining functions, such as drilling, boring, milling, grinding, etc. These functions enable the manufacturing industry to process more adept in the process of using different materials. High-speed machining of the final CNC machining center ability can greatly shorten production cycles and improve production efficiency, enable the manufacturing industry to better meet market demand. In short, CNC machining centers in the manufacturing industry plays a crucial role in it is to improve product quality and reduce production costs, a defined tool for improving production efficiency.